Welcome to Tech Vibe, the channel where innovation meets insight. Here, we don't just talk about technology, we dive deep into it. And today, we're looking at something that might redefine wearable tech in 2025, the Xiaomi Smart Glasses 2025 edition. Imagine having your smartphone's power, your smartwatch's convenience, and your assistant's intelligence all resting on your face. Sounds futuristic? Well, Xiaomi just brought that future closer than ever. How many times a day do you glance at your phone for notifications, navigation, or just to check the time? What if all of that, and more, could appear right in front of your eyes, hands-free, and seamlessly integrated into your daily life? That's exactly what Xiaomi is promising with their latest generation of smart glasses. So, stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll know whether these glasses are truly the next big thing or just another flashy gadget. Now, diving straight into what makes these new Xiaomi smart glasses stand out, let's talk about the specifications. The 2025 model comes powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon AR2 Gen 1 chipset, designed for augmented reality wearables. This makes them lightweight yet efficient in handling AI-driven visual overlays and real-time translation features. It's paired with 4 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth multitasking whether you're taking photos, receiving calls, or projecting content. The glasses use a micro OLED display developed with Sony, offering up to 3000 nits brightness, visible even under direct sunlight. The resolution has also improved, giving you sharper text and better clarity in AR overlays. You'll find dual 8MP cameras in the frame, allowing instant photo capture and 1080p video recording. They've also added better stabilization this time to reduce motion blur. When it comes to design and build quality, Xiaomi has focused on making these glasses smarter and more wearable. The model weighs around 49 grams, crafted from magnesium-lithium alloy, strong yet flexible. The matte frame feels premium, while the sides feature touch-sensitive controls for volume, brightness, or assistant access. The adjustable nose pads add comfort, and the IPX4 rating protects against rain or sweat. The display is a highlight. The micro OLED panel creates a floating, semi-transparent view that feels like a 120-inch screen from a few feet away. Colors are vivid, blacks are deep, and the contrast ratio is excellent. Ambient light sensors adjust brightness automatically, keeping visuals crisp and easy on the eyes whether indoors or outdoors. In terms of performance, these glasses deliver more than expected from such a small form. The Snapdragon AR2 chip ensures low latency operation when switching tasks or activating features. Xiaomi's partnerships bring customized apps like real-time translation, fitness tracking, and visual recognition. You can also connect these glasses to Xiaomi or Android devices for app mirroring and extended control. The software and features are powered by MIUI Glass OS, redesigned for intuitive floating menus and gesture control. Features include smart notifications, quick replies, live weather, and synced calendars. The live navigation mode overlays AR directions right in your vision, while virtual display mode lets you stream your phone's content on a virtual big screen, ideal for watching videos or checking documents on the go. Battery life is solid with a 650 mAh dual-cell battery, offering up to 8 hours of use and 2 days standby. Fast charging via a magnetic dock gets you 50% in 20 minutes, a big leap from the previous version. For gaming or creative use, the AR2 processor keeps latency low, making AR games feel immersive. Creators can capture first-person footage hands-free, perfect for vlogging or POV shots that feel natural and engaging. On audio, Xiaomi has added open-ear directional speakers in the temples, using beamforming for privacy. Audio is crisp, with good clarity, and dual mic noise cancellation filters background sounds effectively. You can also connect Bluetooth earbuds for a more private experience. Connectivity is top-notch, with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC support. The glasses seamlessly integrate with Xiaomi's smart ecosystem, allowing you to control smart home devices directly via voice commands. Pricing is where Xiaomi wins big, expected around $699, making it far more affordable than Apple Vision Pro or Meta Smart Glass. With its performance, design, and features, it's arguably the best value AR wearable entering 2025. Launch is expected globally by Q2 2025. Of course, no device is perfect. The pros include an impressive display, lightweight design, fast performance, and affordable pricing. Cons: battery life could be longer, the camera still trails behind smartphones, and third-party app support may be limited at launch. So, what's the verdict? The Xiaomi Smart Glasses 2025 are a bold leap forward for wearables, practical, futuristic, and surprisingly polished. Xiaomi has struck the right balance between innovation and usability, making this one of the first smart glasses that truly feel ready for everyday life. This was Tech Vibe, bringing you the most authentic reviews in tech. If you enjoyed this one, hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. The future of wearable tech is here, and we'll keep you ahead of it, right here on Tech Vibe.